wasting your time on PowerPoint. Most people spend 50+ hours a month building presentations, and with each presentation averaging out about 8 hours build time, that's a whole day spent creating the slides for your presentation. Here are 5 top saving tips that we use in the studio every day. 1. Find and replace. This is a great trick when editing your presentation copy. Imagine realising you spelled the name of the company you're presenting to wrong throughout, or you've realised that the audience is actually American and not English and they spell realise with a Z. 2. Animation Painter. Getting more advanced now. You've spent 20 minutes perfecting one animation aimed to be faced with having to manually replicate it across your presentation. Animation Painter is there for you. It's just like copy and paste, but for animations. 3. Format Painter. Just like Animation Painter, it's a copy and paste for motion. Format Painter does the exact same for objects and styling. No need to change the outline, colour or shape of an object individually, just use Format Painter. 4. Duplicate. Speaking of copy and paste, who has the time for 2 commands? Copy, find, paste, we're pushing it now. You need the duplicate shortcut. Select the object and just hit Ctrl-D, done. 5. Distribute. The human eye is super impressive, but when it comes to spacing, tech just does it better and quicker. Don't try to painstakingly lay out any multiple objects with the exact same spacing between them. Instead, select them all and use your distribution tool. Follow these tips and stop wasting your time on PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.